Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute sound using your speaker DENON ENVAYA. And right here at the top we have two buttons to volume control, and near to it we have a button to mute and unmute the sound. So let's make it more louder and I play some video and then I will show it to you how it works. So let's... Right now we have a sound here, and if I press one time on this button, I will mute it. And as you can hear, we hear nothing. So to unmute it, just press one more again. And I don't know, did you hear it, but we have a sound. So it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!